How to redeem Amazon gift card from Fampay. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem an Amazon gift card from Fampay. Make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So, in order to redeem an Amazon gift card from Fampay, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. Open the Fampay app. Log into the Fampay app on your device. Step 2. Go to the rewards or gift card section. Navigate to rewards, offers, or the gift cards section. Step 3. Select Amazon gift card. Look for the Amazon gift card option and choose the value you want to redeem. Step 4. Redeem the gift card. Confirm the redemption to receive the gift card code. Step 5. Copy the gift card code. Note the Amazon gift card code provided by Fampay. Step 6. Redeem on Amazon. Open the Amazon app or website, log into your account, and go to Account Your Account. Step 7. Tap Redeem a gift card. Enter the code received from Fampay to add the amount to your Amazon balance. So that's how you can redeem an Amazon gift card from Fampay. That's all for this video.